YouTube and welcome to School Project Practice. I started this channel because I learned so much from other YouTube content creators and I wanted to contribute back to the community. I have a unique academic history as well as unique interests, so I thought it would be good to start a YouTube channel and share it with everyone. If you're stuck on ideas for school projects, or you just want ideas from a science fair, then you've come to the right place. If you're not sure about upcoming exams or tests, please check out my exam experiences and you might find some helpful tips there. I am also a drama scholar, so I do theatre and book reviews. This is a channel that's for 13 and over. There are also some useful tips for parents who have children that are going through the selective secondary school exam process. I am ready to go through this long span challenge and try to grow my channel. So please support the channel by subscribing and leave a comment and I will definitely respond to it. If you have any other questions, you can also leave it in the comments and I'll respond to it. Once again, thank you for visiting my channel and I hope you stick around. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!